subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new mid-range 5G phone under A series in Thailand called Oppo A74. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A74 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that houses an 16-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Oppo A74 5G comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable via microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 74.7 by 8.4mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A74 5G has been priced in Thailand at 8,999 Thai baht, and it is now available for purchase in the country in fluid black and space silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A74 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.